Okay, so the next thing we'll show you how to create an automatic formatting rule so that if you're in profit, you will have a change of formatting to green, and if you're not in profit, it will be a change of formatting to red, and that's called conditional formatting. First thing to do, make sure you've selected the cell that contains your profit or loss. Go up to conditional formatting, click on highlight cell rules, click on greater than, and enter 0. Anything that is greater than 0 will be a green fill with dark green text. Click OK and go back up to conditional formatting to create another rule. And this time we're going to do less than. Anything that is less than 0 we're going to have with a dark red fill with dark red text, and you can see that's automatically changed already. This one is in quite a bit of loss. And there's one thing that we've left out, which is if it's 0. And we're going to go for equal to this time. It's equal to 0, then we'll have something like amber, a bit like the traffic light system. And click OK. And what you can do is have a play with your data. So you could say perhaps 50 people will have a go at one go. And you can see starting to make more money here. And the profit and loss looks a little bit better. Can you cut your costs over here? Can you get that Rubik's Cube for £5? And you can see that that should start to come down. Okay,